Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about HTML5. HTML5 is the latest version of HTML with new features and tags that makes a web page more diverse and user friendly. It is currently supported by Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera 12, Internet Explorer onwards. It has several tags and several features. Using this, the web pages will be more interactive, especially by adding audio and video files. It has several methods to draw paths and adding images. So let's see some tags of HTML5. This is the notepad, and in this notepad I am writing the HTML5 tag. Okay. As a text editor, you can use text notepad, notepad plus plus and NetBeam, but I am using the notepad. This is the first line. First you have to give exclamation marks and dot type HTML. This is the first line of the HTML5 structure, and it tells the browser it is the HTML5 version. Okay, and then as it is HTML, then head, then meta type equals to within double quote UTF-8 meta cat set equals to UTF-8. It tells the browser about the type of character set used to convert bits to character. Here we are using UTF-8 encoding, which is necessary for the HTML5. Okay, and then you have to write title. This is the title for the page. Already you have learned in HTML, and then give title. I am giving the title my HTML5 program, and then slash title. This is the ending tag of the title. Then head close, and then body, body tag close, and then HTML also closed. This is the main structure of the HTML5. Okay, and you have to write tags within body tag as same as HTML. So let's see. Our document. First you have to save and choose the location and give the HTML file name. I am using a dot html, extension as same as HTML file, dot html is the extension, dot html, then save. Okay, this is the HTML file, see, and open the browser. See, this is the title which I have given my HTML program. This is the title, the HTML5, okay, and a.html, my HTML file name. Okay, then go to the next tag. At first, header. This tag is used to give the heading. Heading for introduction purpose, this tag is used, header. And then I am writing H1. Suppose I am giving the heading computer. Then P means paragraph tag. Suppose hardware and software. This is the paragraph. And then heading tag, header tag, I am closing it, header. Okay, so let's check. So this is now this header portion, then file, save, and open the internet browser and refresh it. See, this is the heading computer and it consists hardware and software. So this is the first heading, and using header tag we can give the heading introduction. For this purpose you can use the header tag. Okay, then go to the notepad page again, and this, the next tag I am using footer. This tag is used to put the company's logo, or so I am using HR, company's logo, or additional information purpose. Okay, the end you can put it end of the page, end of the HTML5 page. So this is the footer tag, and using it you can give any logo, any message, but it is end of the page. Suppose I am writing okay, this is the footer, and within body tag you have to write then file, save, and again go to the browser, refresh it. See, this is the horizontal line I have given using HR tag and thank you. Okay. So, this is the footer. To end of the page, to go to the end of the page, you can use the BR tag to go to the next line. BR means line break tag. This is BR. For each BR tag, we can go to the next line. I have given the 4 BR. Again go to the and refresh it. So you can place it the next portion. Okay, if I place it the end of the page using this, so go to the notepad and our next tag is article tag. Using article tag, you can represent a section or content that can be displayed independently. Okay, this is the article tag, and using article tag you can define a section of document which can be an independent block in the whole document. You can use this tag to create article of newspaper and blogs. So, article tag I am putting here, and then I am writing suppose H3 hardware and H3 closed, then P the physical parts of computer. This is the article. Okay, then you have to close the article tag. Then file, save, and go to the Internet Explorer and see this portion, hardware and then physical parts. Okay, so hardware and physical part, and then you can see the footer. Okay, then go to the next tag, the aside tag. It is used to provide additional information on a paragraph or text using aside tag. Suppose just I am using I for italic style. And I you have to close sorry. Okay, and aside tag also closed. Here, okay, this is the aside tag, and you can give the additional information of above article using aside tag. So, file and save, then go to the internet page. See, we can touch and feel, see this portion, we can touch and feel the hardware, and it is in italic style because I have used here I tag, this tag for italic style. I tag you have to start and close. Already I have discussed this type of tag in HTML program in my previous videos. Okay, you can follow it. So, this is the aside tag, and then go to the next tag, section tag. This tag is used to define a section within an article. Okay, so you in this article means this hardware portion, this is our article, and within this article you can define a section. So, section, then suppose then again paragraph, it is used to give input. Just writing I am one line about input device. Then section tag you have to close. Okay, so this is our, so see, this is the complete document of HTML. This is the first portion, and then this is the last portion. This is our complete HTML document. Okay, so again save, and then go to the web page, refresh, see computer, this is the heading, and now here input device, and it is used to give inputs to the computer, and this is the section portion using the hardware article. Okay, within the hardware article. So, in this way we can write the different tags. Then again go to the notepad page, then nav, again this is the next tag, nav within angular bracket nav, this tag. Using this tag we can add the clickable link, that means a set of navigation link can be added by the this tag, okay, nav tag, and within this tag we have to place the anchor tag for creating hyperlink. you have to use you have to write here the page link, which page you have to place here. Suppose any internet page you can write, means any URL, suppose any website URL you can write, or you can place any HTML page also. Okay, to linking page you have to page name, page URL you have to place here. I am using just suppose I am using here www.wikipedia.com. This is the internet page, and using this page we can take we can get the information about any topic. Suppose here I am writing mouse, okay, and after that I am putting this next one. At first I am writing here a bulleted list, just creating a bulleted list. So UL means unordered list you have to write, and then LI, then mouse, and different input devices name I am writing here using this tags. Just I am copying here, writing keyboard, and then writing was microphone, okay, microphone here. And so let's see, and then you have to close the UL tag, means unordered list tag, and then nav tag also. Okay, so let's see the complete document. See, this is the complete document. Okay, now I am writing this. Okay, just I have written these tags, and then file, save, and go to internet page, reload. See, using bulleted list means this bullets already created, and mouse, keyboard, microphones, this three words are there, and this is the linking words. See, when we place the mouse, and now internet is not connected, that's why you are not connected this page. This page you can already displayed, that is you can see the it is not connected because internet is not connected here. Okay, so you can use the nav tag to place the navigation link. Okay, and when you click on the sorry, when you click on the microphone, this also the next page, but internet is not connected, that's why it is written here. Okay, then go to the notepad page, And so today we have learned about just HTML structure and the new tags article, header, aside, section and nav tag. Okay, today up to this and next, and footer also today up to this and next video for the new tags of HTML5. Like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.